Good afternoon, people of YouTube. This is welcome to the channel. First of all, QUICKSILVER channel. This is a Porsche Cayenne 3-litre e-hybrid. Oh, I know what you're all thinking. Can we make it sound good? But do you know anything about this car, Ben? What is it roughly? It's an e-hybrid thing.
3-litre V6 turbocharged. It's got a hybrid system.
Yeah.
It's still a nice petrol engine, so we're just trying to get some sound out of it, really.
Yeah, and our system's fitted to this. We've got this valve, doesn't it? So we have our sound architect, which means you can control the sound, basically.
Yeah, absolutely. Just via the phone app here.
Yeah,
so that's valve open, valve shut.
oh, cool. I'll go to the back of the car and do that again.
Here at the back.
So is this is valve shut?
Valve shut.
Okay, valve shut. Alright, yeah, valve's open. And I think when I was underneath the car, this side has the baffled section, this side is straight through where the valve is. Cool, we'll take it for a quick spin now. Nice. Just do a flyby.
Yeah.
So there you go, QUICKSILVER Sports Exhaust with Sound Architect for your Porsche Cayenne. This is the e-hybrid, as I said, V6 3-litre model. If you own one of these, you know this sounds better than what came with your car or what's stock and what else is out there. So click the link below to find out more information, and subscribe to our channel if you want, and hit the bell, and you can see more videos of different cars that sound better than they should, and that's what we're here for. So yes, get in contact with us now, and we will catch you on the next video very, very soon. See you later.